Bonjour. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
Madame.
D'accord, très bien. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va, Aradia, ça va?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, dear.
I'm reading.
Reading test is over. Who asked for that? Emmanuel. Were you absent in the last class, dear? Emmanuel?
No, I was present.
Yeah, reading test is over. Those who not took part in the reading test, I think they are okay. Amazia, then Andrea, Devatmak, then Manha, then Miva, Mivion, then Naisa. They didn't attend the reading test.
Naisa is not there in our class.
Not in your class. Mivion is not in your class.
Yeah.
Miva and Mivion, yeah, they are in your class, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Me one and me one.
Mivon. We.
And Namari is there.
Yeah, I know. I didn't take the attendance here. I'm not taking the attendance. Okay, dear. So, before our last topic we were discussing was how to say
Greetings.
no, not how to say greetings. How to reply to the
Word.
how to reply to the greetings, right?
Yes.
In the in the last class, we learned how to reply to the greetings. Did you all go through that?
Yes. I read it.
Okay, you don't. I don't read. I'll don't read. Okay, you don't have to read. I will ask. I will ask questions. Okay. So reply to the greetings we learned. Esther, please adjust your camera. Then everyone, please keep a camera on. All of you, keep your camera on. Oh, dako. Mayuga asked, "How are you?" to Andrea. How will you ask, "How are you?" to Andrea? Two ways we learned. Simple way. Simple, small, two words.
And Namari again?
Mayuga, dear, you didn't revise. You didn't go through. We, Anna Maria. How will you ask, how are you?
Sava.
Sava. Very good, Anna. Trebia. How will you ask, how are you? Louder again, Anna.
Sava.
Sava. Very good. So, everyone, did you listen?
Yes.
Did you heard? To ask your friend, any one of your friend, to ask how are you, you can say Sava. Okay. So Andrea, how will you reply to her? She asked Sava, right? So how will you reply, Andrea? How will you reply, Andrea? Now she asked Sava, right? She asked you Sava. Then how will you reply? Andrea? Yes, who said that? How will you reply, Catherine? Sava. Very good, Catherine. Trebia. So, listen everyone. If anyone before that, why most of your cameras are off? Agnes, Claire, Sriya, Giselle, Agnel, Amaya, Arjun, Johan, keep your camera on. Sriya.
I learned in the class.
Agnes, Claire, Arjun, Johan, keep a camera on. So, if any of your friend asks you, Sava, then how will you reply? Sava. Yes, you just need to reply Sava itself. And if your friend asks you, Como Sava, then also you can reply Sava. Okay. Again, so Nived, ask how are you to Giselle.
Como Sava.
Giselle, reply. I think Giselle is, yeah, Giselle, reply. Nived ask you, Como sava? Then how will you reply, Giselle? Where is she? Unmute, Giselle, and reply. Now itself we discussed. Were you listening? Not como sava. Como sava is how you ask question. I want you to reply. I want you to reply. Others, please mute. Others, everyone. Giselle, did you hear when Catherine was replying? Okay, Nived asked, how are you to Adidev? CN.
Como sava?
Adidev, reply. Very good, Adidev and Nived. Miva, ask how are you to Abba. Ask how are you to Abba. Unmute. Or is there any other way to ask how are you? Other than como sava, simple way, how will you ask? Only two words.
Como salebu?
Others, please mute. I want that particular person to say the answer. Miva, and please don't be quiet. Say something, okay? Then only I will be able to make you answer it. Okay, so we learned two ways to ask how are you, right? One you already told now, that is como sava. Okay, now we learned more simplest way to ask how are you. Only two words. We very good, Miva, very good. So Abba, how will you reply?
Sava be a mercy.
No, you don't have to say such long sentence to when your friend is asking you, "Sir, how are you?" Your friend is asking, right? So you can reply simply also, Sava. Just say Sava.
Sava. Okay.
Abba, you just need to say Sava. Sava be a mercy. This is such a long reply, right? Sava be a mercy, and you are saying mercy also. Will you say thank you to your friend? Will you say thank you to your friend when your friend asks you how are you? No need to say like that. When your friend asks you how are you, just say fine. Okay, so Sava. When your friend asks you Sava question, just reply Sava. Okay? Okay. Jessica, ask how are you to Mayuga?
Sava.
Mayuga, reply.
Sava.
That's it. Very good. Okay. Now, I am going to ask you the question. Como allez-vous? How will you reply?
Sava be a mercy.
Right. Now you have to say Sava be a mercy. You have to say mercy because you are someone elder asks you how are you, right? When elders ask you this question, Como allez-vous? You have to reply Sava be a mercy. You have to say thank you, mercy. Okay, that is how you show respect to elders. Okay, I hope this one you got. Now I will share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, before that. All of you please mute. And Aiden, unmute and read.
Oi, madam. Salut. Hi.
Only the French part.
Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue. Ça va? Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous?
Très bien, Aiden. Ensuite, Haglin Paul. Read.
Oui, madame. Ça
Read,
va?
dear.
Ça va mal. Not well. Ça va, we are very well. Ça va, we are mercy. Very well, thank you. Pas mal. Not bad. Comme si, comme ça, neither good nor bad.
Très bien, Hadlin. Très bien. Very good. Très bien. D'accord. And now today we will learn how to say goodbye. Different ways to say goodbye we are going to learn. And one you already know. Because we in every day after the French class, we are saying goodbye using that one. How will you say goodbye after the French class? Au revoir. Oui, that is the first one. Au revoir. Au revoir is the first one here, and here the ending letter R will be silent. Ending letter R will be silent. Au revoir, R will be silent, and here also we are no. I didn't say au revoir.
We have to write it.
No, you don't have to write now. Just listen, everyone. Keep your pencils down, books down, and listen. Okay, and understand the pronunciation first. Then I will give you time. Okay, so au revoir. I am not pronouncing r sound there. Instead, I am pronouncing ra. Ra sound is coming here. Malayalam letter ra sound. Au revoir. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Au revoir. Everyone, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est au revoir? Qu'est-ce que c'est au revoir?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oui. Au revoir, c'est goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ensuite, deuxième, à bientôt.
A bientôt.
À bientôt.
A bientôt.
Ici, ending letter T will be silent.
Silent.
Oui, à bientôt. And here you can see one accent over here on top of letter A, right?
Yes.
Oui. Which accent is that? Which accent? Quel est l'accent? Accent? Which accent? Accent? Laxon?
Hindi.
Which accent is that? Laxo? 5 accents we learned. You remember or forgot?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes. Say.
Laxon circumflex.
No, this one, dear. Anna Maria, the first accent on top of letter A. We. Laxograph. Here we have on top of letter A. Laxograph. Laxograph. We can see with 3 letters. Which all are the 3 letters? A. Then E. Then and
U.
A, E and U. We can see laxograph with letters A, E and U. And when laxograph will come with letter A and U, there won't be any change in the pronunciation. How will you read letter A in French? How will you read letter A in French? Yes. So when laxograph will come, the pronunciation will change? No. So how will you read this? How will you read this? Okay, even though laxograph is there, we will read it as itself, because when laxograph will come on top of letter A, it will not change. And there is one more accent here on top of letter O. Can you see this accent here on top of letter O?
Yes.
Which is that accent? Which is that accent? Laxo?
Laxo circumflex.
Oui, Anna. Très bien. Laxo-circumflex. And laxo-circumflex we can see with the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. And when laxo-circumflex when you see with the vowel letters, will the pronunciation of these alphabets change? Will the pronunciation change?
No.
Yes. So it will not change. O will pronounce as O itself. No change in pronunciation. So you can pronounce this word as abianto. Abianto.
Abianto.
Aradhya, please open your mouth and try to repeat. Abianto.
Abianto.
Oui. So, qu'est-ce que c'est abianto?
See you soon.
See you soon. Abianto is see you soon. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Abianto.
Abianto.
D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, third one. A tout à l'heure.
A tout à l'heure.
Atu taler. We till here, till this you can pronounce together. Atu, then atu taler. We atu taler. Here also you can see laxo a with laxogra. Pronunciation is not changing there, and you can see L apostrophe. This is L apostrophe, not I. That is L with an apostrophe. That is one article. L apostrophe is one article, definite article. In English, we will say the, the. Okay, so that is L apostrophe there, and there is one word here. This one, air. H-E-U-R-E. H will be silent here. Why H is silent there? I want to know why H is silent there. I told you we will not pronounce H there. Why?
Because
Yes. Aradhya, come on.
one word from H, the H will be vowel letter.
How? H is a vowel letter, Aradhya? H is a vowel letter? No. But here we will consider H as a vowel letter when H is coming at the beginning of a word. In French, when your word is beginning with letter H, then we will consider H as a vowel letter and H will be silent. Who is using the chat box? Don't use the chat box. Okay, so when H is coming at the beginning of a word in French, we will consider H as a vowel letter and H will be silent also. Donc, we atu taler. Here we are not pronouncing H sound. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Atu taler. Qu'est-ce que c'est atu taler?
See you very soon.
See you very soon. The second one, Abhiyanto, is see you soon. And the third one, Atu Taler, is see you very soon. Okay, second one, Abhiyanto is see you soon. Atu Taler is see you very soon.
See you very soon.
D'accord, ensuite, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. You see, ending letter T will be silent. T will be silent here, and the pronunciation is bonne nuit. Aiden dear, please sit straight. Okay, bonne nuit. D'accord. Qu'est-ce que c'est bonne nuit? Good night. Oui, bonne nuit. Say good night.
Nuit means good night.
Oui. Ensuite, Adama. See, when you have letter I-N together, how will you pronounce it when you have I-N together? I-N when you have together, how will you pronounce it? Yes, we. That is how we pronounce. Adama. It's not Adamain. When you see I-N, I and N, you will have a tendency to read as Ain, the main. No, it's not Adamain. It's Adama. Oui, qu'est-ce que c'est Adama? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Adama, see you tomorrow. So when you come to school, your classes are over by evening. You are going to home. So before that, how will you say goodbye to your friends? You can say Adama. Adama, because you know tomorrow also you have school. Tomorrow also you are going to meet your friends, right? So you can say Adama. See you tomorrow. Okay, so these things we are just not learning for the French class. You can apply also when you come school. You can greet your friends using in French itself. Salut, ça va? You can ask how are you? and you can say bye, all these things. Adama, you can use in the use in school also when you come here. Okay, everyone, Daka?
Yeah.
So learn and come. So before you come to school, you have to learn all these way to how to greet, how to say goodbye, how to ask how are you, all these things. Everyone learn and come so that you can have a conversation with your friends.
Madam,
We gather in.
can you repeat the second?
I will repeat. So everyone repeat after me, all of you. Au revoir. For now I will be muting everyone so that you can hear the pronunciation properly. So now you don't have to repeat after me. Just listen. Okay? You don't have to repeat. Just listen. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Don't repeat. Okay? Saharish, mute. Just listen and you don't have to repeat after me. Au revoir. A bientôt. A tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain. Again, I am going to repeat. Au revoir. A bientôt. A tout à l'heure. See, I connected tale. I said tale, not a tout à l'heure. I said a tout à l'heure. Once with bonne nuit. A demain. Okay, now you can repeat, everyone. Just repeat after me. Au revoir. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Au revoir. A bientôt. A tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain. Nived, take the finger out from your mouth and repeat after me. Au revoir. Agnel Gills, repeat. Au revoir. A bientôt. A tout à l'heure. Adinath, repeat dear. A tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain. Once again. Au revoir. Agnel Joshi, repeat. Au revoir. A bientôt. A tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain. D'accord. Sriya, Disel, Shine, Arjun, Johan, Adidev, please keep your cameras on. Why you are offing your camera, Sriya? Shine. Okay, so repeat everyone one more time. Au revoir. Au revoir. Sriya, stop talking and repeat. Au revoir. A bientôt. A tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain. D'accord. And now everyone take your rough book. All of you take your rough book now. Take your rough book, everyone. Write and study different ways to say goodbye in your rough book for 5 times along with the meanings. Write and study along with the meanings for 5 times in your rough book.
Write the meaning.
Meaning also you have to write. Adidev, please keep your camera on.
We have to write English too?
Yes, that is meanings. Meanings too you have to write. Okay, now, and those who are ready to read, those who got the pronunciation properly and ready to read can click on the hand raise symbol. And others, you practice till you get the, till you sure, are you sure your pronunciation you got it correct, you can click on the hand raise symbol. Okay.
Can you read the second one?
Second one is abhiyanto.
Abhiyanto.
We.
Ma'am, what is fourth one?
Fourth one, bonnui. Aiden, you can unmute and repeat, unmute and read.
Oruwa, Abhiyanto, Attutale, Bonnui, Adamma.
Très bien, Aiden, very good. Sweet Saharish.
Yes. Oui, madam.
D'accord.
Oruwa, Abhiyanto, Attutale,
Attutale.
Bonnui,
Bonnui.
Adamma.
Adama, oui, très bien, Saharish. Ensuite, Catherine.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui,
Read.
Oruwa, Abhiyanto, Attutale,
Bonnui, d'accord.
Adama.
D'accord, très bien, Catherine. Ensuite, Anna Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, dear.
Oruwa, Abhiyanto, Attutale, Bonnui, Adama.
Très bien, Anna. Ensuite, Evelyn.
Oruwa,
Adama, Abhiyanto.
Attutale,
Not Otutaler, Attutaler. Bonnui.
Adama.
Très bien, Evelyn. Ensuite, Aradhya. Others, everyone, please do right and steady. Aiden.
Oruwa, Abhiyanto, Attutale,
We.
Bonnui, Adama.
Très bien, Aradhya. Ensuite, Amaya.
Yes, ma'am. Oui, madam.
Oui, d'accord, read.
Oruwe,
Rua, Ra sound.
Oruwa,
We.
Abhiyanto,
We. Andrea, sit straight and right.
Attutale,
Attutaler. Bonnui.
Adama.
We. Très bien, Amaya. Ensuite, Agnes Claire.
Oui, madam.
Read.
Abhine,
Adama. It's not the main. Adama.
know that. Abhiyanto, Attutale, Bonnui, Adama.
D'accord. Très bien, Agnes. Ensuite, Shine.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madam. Oruwa,
Rua, Ra sound. Abhiyanto.
So. Ar.
Atut. Atutaler.
Tutale. E.
After Atutaler. Bonnui. Then Adama.
Adama.
Read again, Shine.
Oruwa.
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 Then
Ri.
B. Next sound is B, right? B-I-E-N. Look at the screen and read, Shine. Look at the screen and read.
Oruwa.
Then Abhiyanto.
Abhinanto.
Not Bina. Abhiyanto.
Yaito.
Then Atutaler.
Tutale.
Then Bonnui.
E.
Then
Adama.
Dako. Antrebia. Now all of you can remove that hand raise symbol. I am going to take the attendance. Quickly give your attendance. Everyone in French itself. Quickly give attendance in French itself. Aba.
Absent.
Aba. Elapson. Dako. Adidevan Nair. Presson. Abigail.
Aba present.
Aba present. Dako. Abigail absent. Adidev CN.
Present, madam.
Present. Adrinath.
Present, ma'am.
Agnel Joshi presso, Agnel Gills presso, Agnes Claire presso, Aiden presso, Amaya presso, Amazia.
Excuse me.
Abigail is present. Okay, Abigail presso.
Ma'am, Aiden present.
Yeah, Aiden, I marked present for you, dear. Then Amazia. Others, please mute. Everyone. Only when I call your name, you click on the your mic button. Okay. You unmute. Otherwise, don't. Amazia. Abso. Andrea Justin.
Present.
Andrea Presso. Andrea, she is present, Andrea?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Dako, Presso. Anna Maria.
Present, ma'am.
Aradhya.
Present. Present, ma'am.
Arjun.
Aradhya. Present.
Arjun Presso. Evelyn. Presso. Ayush Krishna.
Present, madam.
Catherine Presso. Devatmak.
Absent.
Emmanuel.
Present.
Presso. Esther. Presso. Ivan Nirmal. Presso. Fida. Absent. Giselle Presso. Hadlin Paul. Presso. Hadlin Paul Presso. Jessica Presso. Johan Jose. Absent. Mahadevan. Manha Fatima. Johan is present. Okay, Johan is present. Don't simply give absent. Okay, Catherine. Everyone, Mayuga, please mute Mayuga. Okay, Mahadevan. Absent. Manha Fatima. Absent. Mayuga Presso. Miva Presso. Mivon Presso. Naisa. Absent. Nived KS. Presso. Pavin. Absent. Renfred.
Absent.
Absent. Rohan.
Absent.
Absent. Saharish.
Present.
Shine. Present. Sriya. Present. Okay, I will read the names of absentees now. All of you mute. Absentees names are Amazia, Devatmak, Fida, then Mahadevan, Manha, then Naisa, Pavin, Renfred, Rohan. These are the names of absentees. And Miva is there? Miva,
Yes.
are you ready to read? You didn't take part in the reading test, right? Reading test day, you are absent. Take page number 20 and read. Miva, take page number 20 and read. Miva. Unmute and read.
I think
Miva, unmute and read.
aeropo, baby, coca, dindon, elephant, fromage, giraffe,
Ibu. Dako. De trebia, Miva. Ensuite, Mivon, read from page number 21.
Igo, Lily,
Read.
Jaguar,
Kangaroo.
lion,
Leon. Me. Okay, enough. Wait. Why were you absent, Miva and Mivon? Why were you